Uh, Hello, my name is Marden Wankas. Today I want to talk about show I watch every day and at 7 p.m. Kane Esto es Guerra. Is a reality show full of competition. In in the show can see many competitions downstairs, job athletics. These games are very challenge and because today of involving aims the participation have to be extremely focused. Sometimes the intensive games uh, cause anxiety through fear is a big part of the jobs and rights. Enjoy the because of very interesting and energy uh, is connected to my life because it remains that I need to be parents to reach my goals and takes people can learning about teamwork and resilience for these programs. Um, by by the way, and I take the show we am very popular next seance. I love that the producers my and new games and deny chance the for to take its the competencia and thank you for watching. Thank you.